This thing is pretty big. Oh, golly, it's heavy. We got our seat here. You got the rudder that goes on the back of the boat back here. Got all the plugs that you need to plug up throughout the boat. So we got the pedal drive here. We'll pull that dude out of this plastic bag without breaking anything, hopefully. Pull this dude up, and then this supposedly fits down in here. So now we gotta put our pedals on. Okay, it's on there. I don't know how tight you're supposed to. I don't know if it's going to bend the metal or what. So there we go. Now we'll put this dude in here, and that's supposed to fit down in that hole. Right. So I told you I was going to break it. There we go. So it lines up with the bottom, and it just keeps the water from coming up. And I guess so you can see how shallow it is too, because the motor is only good for 22 inches deep of water. That's that's what it says on there. It says only use it in deeper than 22-inch water. So I know it don't seem like a lot, but all right, there we go, like that, and cool. We got that going on. Now, you didn't see earlier, it has a plug that fits inside that hole, just like that. And this is for the rudder system, which we're going to install right now. One is this. All right, so it has to be this way. And the only way to really do it is to have the, there we go. Just have the Phillips on bottom. So I moved this rudder control up here on the side. It was down here on the floor, right here on the floor, but I went ahead and moved it up there where it would be on the right hand side. And then we got the guard on right here now. It fits down in here. We got the chair here. We got it extended. It has the actual, you loosen this right here and it extends out. So it's got the slots right here. Same thing on this side. It's got the slot right here, and you loosen this up and it extends out and attaches to this. Now we got plenty of room back here for, golly, there's plenty of room back here. We got these boxes. These boxes are screwed in right here on the bottom right there. These are not really dry boxes, but they're storage boxes. Then you have your dry well here. Opens up, and you got plenty of room down in here to put some dry stuff if you need to. Personally, I will probably keep my dry stuff in a bag up here in the front of the boat. So have a dry bag up here with all my camera gear and such, and then all the way back here in the back is where I will store all my other camping gear and stuff like that. Now it's time to put in all the plugs. Now these plugs are real easy to put in. You just stick them and push them, and then you gotta pull them up. Come on, they just pop right on out. All right, so now we got everything put on. We got everything installed, everything's done. So the only thing left to do is to actually test it out in the water. So this is a big boat. This is a very big boat. This thing is amazing. The pedal drive is awesome. The response is awesome whenever you're pedaling it. It's an all around amazing little kayak. 14 foot long. Its stability is ridiculous. Like, I can stand up in this thing and, you know, moving back and forth. There's no rock. It's just like a boat. I mean, this thing is crazy. Nice. It's a grinnell. Please don't get out. You got my lure in your mouth.